G'day you mob, Pete here, and this is the Aussie English podcast, the number one place for anyone and everyone wanting to learn Australian English. Today is another episode in the Aussie Slang series where my goal is to introduce you to and teach you Australian slang terms and expressions that Aussies use down under every day. Not necessarily that they use every single one that I'm going to be teaching you every single day, but they use slang every day, and so it's useful to learn some of these, recognize some of the other ones that are maybe a little ruder, like today's one. Anyway, so today's expression for you is a bit of all right. Oh yeah, a bit of all right. A bit of all right effectively means that someone is attractive. So obviously, if I'm going to use this, I would use this on a woman. I'm a heterosexual man. If you came across a woman who's heterosexual, she's going to use it on a man. If you find, someone who's homosexual, they're going to use it on the same gender as themselves or the same sex as themselves. But effectively, if someone is a bit of all right, you are saying that that person is attractive. You find them attractive. Oh yeah, I was walking down the street and this girl was a bit of all right. It's not something I think I would say, to be honest, on a daily basis because it has this kind of sexist tone to it. But there are plenty of guys that I've heard say this, and even women that I've heard say this about guys. Oh yeah, that guy's a bit of all right. What a hunk. What a slice of yum. I just made that up. I don't know where that came from. Slice of yum. Good one, Pete. Anyway, a bit of all right just means that you find someone attractive, okay? A bit of all right. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget, if you want to get access to the members-only episode that I release each time I release one of these episodes, go and check out the premium podcast and become a member. This is where you'll get access to over 900 different podcast episodes. You'll get the transcripts, the downloads, the videos, the lessons, everything else to help you learn Australian English. Anyway, I'm Pete. This is Aussie English. Thanks for joining me. See you next time. Tooroo.